Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by arranging your data. Place all source text in one clean column so formulas can iterate. Next, choose a method, built-in function, Power Query, VBA macro, or external API, based on scale and privacy. Once decided, enable any required add-ins or the Developer tab, then save a backup copy. Now, insert a helper column next to your source text. This is where translated results will appear, and it keeps original data intact while you test commands and functions. You now implement the chosen approach. For quick jobs, use formulas or the web service/XML methods. For larger datasets, load the table into Power Query and apply a custom connector or JSON call. If automating, write a VBA routine that loops rows, sends requests, parses responses, and respects rate limits. Make sure to map language codes correctly and include error handling. Test your pipeline on a small sample of 5 to 10 rows, so you confirm the output format and prevent widespread. You finish by validating a random sample to ensure translations are accurate and contextually appropriate, then replace formulas with values to lock results. Once done, clean up helper columns and save your final backup. If things go wrong, first check API keys, request limits, and network errors, then inspect cell formatting, regional settings, and JSON parsing in VBA. Make sure to log failed rows for manual review, and rerun only those entries after fixing causes, so you don't repeat the entire process unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.